Homeowners in Worcester are no strangers to the city's fluctuating weather, from chilly New England winters to warm, humid summers. These seasonal extremes can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, driving up your energy bills. However, one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce utility costs is by upgrading your windows. Modern window replacement not only enhances your home's comfort but also delivers long-term savings. Why old windows waste energy? Older windows, especially those with single panes or damaged seals, allow air to pass through easily. This leakage forces your HVAC system to run longer to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Drafts in the winter and heat gain in the summer mean your furnace and air conditioner are constantly compensating for lost energy. Over time, this inefficiency translates into higher monthly bills and unnecessary wear on your heating and cooling systems. Even small gaps or cracks around window frames can contribute to energy loss. Worcester's cold winters make these leaks especially noticeable, as you might feel drafts near windows or see condensation forming between glass panes. These are clear indicators that your windows are no longer performing efficiently. Energy-efficient windows. A smart investment replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. Today's windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping your home stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Look for Energy Star certified windows. These products meet strict efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. They often include features such as double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass create insulation barriers, reducing heat transfer. Low emissivity coatings. A microscopic metallic layer reflects heat back inside during winter and keeps solar heat out during summer. Argon or krypton gas fills. These invisible gases between panes act as additional insulation. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames help prevent heat loss better than traditional wood or aluminum. These technologies work together to keep your home comfortable year-round while lowering energy consumption. Savings you can see. According to energy efficiency studies, homeowners can save 10% to 25% on heating and cooling costs by replacing old, inefficient windows. In Worcester, where winters are long and heating is a major expense, this can mean hundreds of dollars in annual savings. Additionally, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, reducing maintenance costs and extending its lifespan. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to better indoor air quality by reducing condensation and mold growth, problems often associated with old, leaky windows. This means not only lower bills but also a healthier home environment. Comfort beyond cost savings. While the financial benefits of window replacement are significant, the improvement in comfort is just as valuable. New windows eliminate drafts, reduce outside noise, and improve the overall insulation of your home. During Worcester's hot summers, your air conditioner won't struggle against the heat seeping through outdated glass. In winter, you'll enjoy consistent warmth without cold spots near the windows. Many modern windows also offer UV protection, preventing furniture, flooring, and curtains from fading due to sun exposure. This helps preserve your interior while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Adding value to your Worcester home window replacement is one of the best ways to boost your home's resale value. Energy efficiency is a top priority for Worcester homebuyers, and new windows make your property more attractive on the market. Buyers appreciate the promise of lower energy bills, reduced maintenance, and improved aesthetics, all of which increase your home's overall appeal. The bottom line for Worcester homeowners looking to lower energy costs and enhance comfort, window replacement offers an excellent return on investment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy reduced heating and cooling bills, a more comfortable living space, and lasting value for your property. Whether you're motivated by environmental concerns, financial savings, or home improvement goals, replacing your old windows is a smart step toward a more efficient and enjoyable home.